at this point. I hope we will reunite. It's been crazy.
Congrats, Gian.
You, our beloved school principal, our dedicated teachers and non-teaching staff, our supportive parents, dear friends, and fellow graduates. Today is a momentous occasion,
Wow.
not just for me but for all of us.
Blur na. Nagsangit to. Ala, ala. Kuya nga mawawatan nun.
Our school, Lord of Life, our school will be very blessed. Thank you for being more than just an institution. You have been a place that nourishes not only our knowledge, but also our community. Thank you for providing us a supportive environment where we could learn, grow, and discover our potentials. And as we learn, here go beyond us, shaping us into the individuals we are. Our school director, Sir Frederick Eupria, thank you for your vision and leadership in fostering a school community, inspiring us to dream big and work hard. Your support has made it valuable to both our academic and personal growth. Our school principal, Ma'am Jonathan A. Pia, your leadership and unwavering commitment have guided us towards excellence. Thank you for your dedication, ensuring we receive not just education but a strong foundation for a brighter future. I serve Maydel Dana S.R. Cora. Your patience, encouragement, and wisdom have guided us through both the challenges and triumphs of this school. We more than just a learning
Damugan sa ganda na ako. Tatala mo.
Teachers and non-teaching staff, thank you for your dedication and hard work. Our teachers for tirelessly granted knowledge and life lessons. The non-teaching staff for ensuring that our school remains a safe, welcoming place. We owe so much to you. Effort,
Tapos na? Ano ko na lang?
you have done for us.
Ano nga duwada na ito niya?
Because the government parents, Lola,
Hindi ko, di... Yes, no. Dami dal sa ka.
Kaya.
Nagaramit damat ka na ako.
This moment is as much yours as it is ours.
Upan damat ka na eh.
Love you and we are forever grateful.
Ni.
Ito manero.
To my classmates, especially the young friends, Alexa,
Wow.
and Leo, I appreciate that we
What?
Kaya na-start na
Na-mention tayo, gito na rin.
To my classmates ko rin.
Nakita na.
Thank you for the friendship and have made this
Ay,
day
wow!
worthy
Ang gawin, just like ito
for
na.
the moment that have for giving us of joy and support. To the someone who really cherished the most.
Roderick.
Thank you for